Kidnapped vice principal in Oyo State has voiced out in a new video appealing to the government and urging authorities to take immediate action to secure the release of her and other captives. Mrs. Alamo Folawe, vice principal of Community Grammar School, araghchi, appeared in a video released on Monday, June 8, 2026, while still in captivity. In the emotional video, Mrs. Folawe appealed to government officials not to play politics with the lives of those being held hostage. According to her, reports suggesting that the abductors are demanding money or the implementation of Sharia law are inaccurate. She claimed that the kidnappers are only demanding the release of some of their members who are currently in government custody.
Please. And it seems that some people are making our problems to be complicated already. We were shown some print media where it was stated that these people that abducted us requested for release of some people. They requested for ₦1 billion. They requested for Sharia to be entrenched in the country. These are not true. They are just trying to create problems for us. We have been here since. We have not been forced to worship in Islamic way. We have been left alone. They have not troubled us concerning that. They are not asking for Sharia law. They are not asking for money. The single thing they are asking for is the release of some of their people. I don't know why they are peddling this rumor to make it complicated for us. Please, we are just begging you, don't play politics with our lives. Nigerians, please help us to circulate this. Let it go viral. They are not asking for Sharia law. It is not true. They are not asking for weapons. They are not asking for money. All they want is the release of some people. And the government will negotiate with them and know those that they will release for them. I don't know why they are playing politics with our life. Please, Nigerians, our lives are in your hand. Help us make this go viral. Don't let the government deceive the whole world. They are not asking for Sharia. They are not asking for money. They are not asking for weapons. All they want is release of some of their people. Please, let everybody know about it. Ẹ dákun, lórí ọ̀rọ̀ wa náà ni mo tún wá sí. Òní ló di ọjọ́ 24 tá ti wà níbí. Ṣùgbọ́n tí wọ́n fi hàn wá ní orí social media ni pé wọ́n níjọba sọ wípé
Mrs. Folawe was among the teachers and pupils abducted during the attack on a school in araghchi, Orire local government area of Oyo State, an incident that has continued to generate national concern. The latest video has heightened anxiety among parents, students, and residents who are desperately awaiting the safe return of the victims. As insecurity continues to challenge several communities across Nigeria, many citizens are calling on security agencies and government authorities to intensify efforts to rescue those still in captivity.
What do you have to say concerning this video? This is a breaking news that I decided to share with you. Thank you for watching. For more upload videos like this, do not forget to follow me on this channel by subscribing, because I will be giving you latest and hot updates. See you in the next one, and bye.